Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell and this is your August Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit includes 2 brand new collections including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. Along with your kit, you'll also receive 2 recipe cards designed by the design team for 2 double-page layouts, one for each one of the collections, including cutting and assembly instructions, as well as a full-color photograph of the finished layout. This month's Double Shot Kit is a beautiful summer palette with some muted colors, and it really can be used for any type of documenting that you want to do. The 2 collections include Endless from Authentique and Document Life from Pretty Little Studio. And if you notice, this one has a cream-based background and this one has a white-based background. But the colors really intermingle well, and I think within small doses, you can definitely mix these collections together and make some beautiful projects. So let's take a closer look at each one of these. Our first collection, Endless from Authentique, is this beautiful collection with birds and flowers and butterflies. Really love the colors in this collection. So for your cardstock, you're going to get 2 sheets of cream puff and 1 sheet of peacock. For your pattern paper, we'll start with Endless 1, and this has a bird on a rose branch along with some butterflies, and there's a light blue polka dot in the background. The back is this really dark coral, and it looks like a crocheted tablecloth or, a doily. It's really pretty. This one is Endless 5, and it's a yellow butterfly on a gray grid background. And the back is a striped design, and so you can see the full color palette of this collection. It's just gorgeous. I love the coral, and they have the light and the dark, as well as the dark and the light blue. This paper, Endless 4, has the honeycomb and the bumblebee set in a geometric pattern in the dark blue. And the back is this gorgeous blue wood grain. It's really pretty. So one more look at the patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to receive half of the die cut sheet. So these can be punched out. So you'll either receive this side or the opposite side, but you can tell there's some phrases, some quotes, and as well as those beautiful flowers and the butterflies and the birds that you see throughout that collection. So that is Endless by Authentique. Our next collection is Document Life from Pretty Little Studio. So this collection is really versatile that you can scrapbook all types of memories. Your cardstock is going to be 2 sheets of white and 1 sheet of Ocean Oasis. For your paper, this one is called La Fresca, and it has the triangles and all the different colors from this collection. The back is an aqua diagonal stripe. This one called Dolly is a striped in all of the different colors, and the back is a diamond design with the dark blue dots. This paper called Queen Bee is the hexagon or the honeycomb in yellow. And the back is a navy polka dot on white. So really pretty colors, vibrant designs. For your embellishments, all of these will vary, but you're going to receive 1 tag and 2 labels, a row of heart stickers, as well as some of the Pretty Little Studio notable words, and a 5th pack of the washi. So fun little pieces you can tuck in and embellish with. So that is a look at Document Life from Pretty Little Studio. One more look at your Double Shot Kit. Be sure to come on over to the Facebook group and the blog, join in on the challenges, check out what the design team's creating with their kits, as well as your fellow subscribers. And be sure to check out some of the other kits we have available. I have the videos linked here. If you have any questions about any of the kits, be sure to comment below and we'll get back to you. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.